Welcome back to Learning with Merit. Today we're going to look at relational operators. So this is mostly the inequalities that you have probably learned from any math class. But it does include more than just inequalities, and it's used specifically for something we call a Boolean expression. And you know this from using the inequalities. They always evaluate to it is either true or it is false type scenario. So here we have double equals. This is comparison for equal to. We're seeing if something is equal to. We've got exclamation equals for not equal to, and then of course greater than and less than. Now this depends on what order you put stuff, whether which one is greater, which one is less than, right? But in general, we'll put the thing on the left, and if we say the thing on the left that is comparing, then we've got greater than, less than, greater than or equal to with a right angle bracket and equal sign, left angle bracket and an equal sign, we get less than or equal to, and then a special one, instance of, that checks if an object is an instance of a particular class, which is very useful for us. So if we look through these, what we have here is these are a few Boolean expressions. So this is a Boolean expression, this is a Boolean expression, this is a Boolean expression. Of course, we're printing out what these values look like. So if we're evaluating a Boolean expression, they are going to be evaluated to a true or a false value. So 1 greater than 10, that should be false. 1 less than 10 should be true. 1 equal to 1 should also be true. Notice that we're using double equals to compare because single equals is assignment and the computer cannot tell the difference. So if we hit play here, you'll see false for the first one, true, and true, and that's exactly what we expected. If we continue here are some more examples. So here we're using it with a variable. We've created the variable f. It is an integer that stores the value 5, and we are checking equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. And if we run these, we'll see that our first few, we've got false, true, true. So we can skip these three. So the first one, it says f is equal to 2. Well, 5 and 2 are not the same, so we get false. The next one is f is not equal to 1, so 5 is not 1, so we get true. The next one, we've got 5 greater than 0. That's true. The next one, we've got 5 less than 4. That's false. The next one, we've got 5 is greater than or equal to 5. That's true. And then 5 is less than or equal to 6. That is also true. So we can see how those Boolean expressions get worked in. And then one more we have here. We've got object obj equals new object. So I've created an object. And what I'm checking here is I'm checking if obj is an instance of the object class. So what this is doing is it's checking to see, is obj an object? If that's true, it will print out true. So we need to check the last one down here, and it says true, and that is for this print statement right there. So these are all of our different relational operators, and of course they can be strung together. They can be used in multiple ways. You can include compound, sort of relational operators where you've got multiple things checking multiple things, and it gets a little more hairy after that, but this is the basic that we're looking at here. So thank you for watching Learning with Merit.